Dragon fire isn't rage, it's clarity. If you feel anger, then the Dragon Fae guardian says don't weaponize it, but refine it. Ask yourself, what boundaries of mine are being crossed? In what way is my truth being compromised? And in that moment of clarity, choose what message you need to send, or what action you need to take, or what no decision you need to express. And then really honor that and see that through. And you find that really shifts your vibration and shifts your timeline and the strength of your auric field. Dragon medicine is vows, not moods. So for the next 24 hours, pick a vow. It could be, I keep my word to myself, I am true to myself, and then make one promise to yourself and keep it. You'll find that it really enhances your solar plexus and strengthens your auric field, and you'll feel and stand taller in the truth of who you are. If you wake up carrying everyone else's energy, the Dragon Fae guardian says, seal your field. Not protection, because protection denounces weakness, that you need something to be protected from, and you don't want to create that. So the Dragon Fae guardian says, seal it by consciously making it shine brighter. So take a deep breath, focus on your solar plexus and your diaphragm, and evoke that fire energy. The element fire relates to your solar plexus, and really breathe out into your solar plexus and imagine that energy, that fire energy, that light, that vitality just shining into your aura, creating this beautiful force field around you that, quite frankly, nothing can penetrate unless you consciously choose to allow it to. So just try that for 24 hours and have fun playing with that. And I'm going to send you a light code. This one's from tier 1 of the light code system, and it really empowers your solar plexus. So breathe, as I send it, breathe it into your solar plexus and see it going into your diaphragm area of your body and then shining out all around you. Here we go, take a deep breath. Into your solar plexus and shining out all around you. Have fun, take care. The Dragon Fae honour one thing above all else, and that's the loyalty to yourself. So if today you're tempted to betray that at the expense of you for a situation or you for someone else to keep the peace, then really recognize in the moment that that's happening and bring your attention down to your solar plexus. Pull up that fire, that light, that brightness, project it into the situation and fill your aura with that energy, and then choose whether you really, in your truth, choose to say a yes or whether it's a polite no. And even if that's uncomfortable, really honor that you are standing in the truth of who you are. Dragons speak that your creative voice is your power. So for today, be really mindful what you speak out loud and what you tell yourself in your head, and consciously be selective and choose only empowering thoughts. And if you want to take that one step further, say out loud, as though you really mean it, what it is that you're claiming, and choose one action in the direction of that dream and that purpose and that pathway, and take it. And really then celebrate your energy, celebrate your fire, celebrate your positivity for taking action, and really allow yourself that moment to give yourself that energy that you so readily give others. If your mind keeps playing the same loop, pulling you into the perpetual, as I call it, hamster wheel of going round and round and getting nowhere, then use the Dragon Fae guardian energy, because he doesn't do loops, he ends them. So next time you find yourself in that place, consciously acknowledge it and and say, this is the fear loop. And then do one physical action. Stand taller, put your shoulders back, lift your diaphragm, take a deep breath in, because action breaks enchantment. If you ask yourself that question, what would a leader do today? Not a perfect person, a leader. And then take an action to be true to that. And really bring your awareness into your solar plexus and see that energy filling your solar plexus and filling your other chakras, emanating into your auric field and surrounding you in vibrant light that's an inspiration to others. So if you've enjoyed the messages from the Dragon Fae Guardian this week, and you haven't already, then don't forget to follow the link and take the Guardian quiz. And be sure to subscribe for more of this weekly series from the Fae. Take care.